Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying the phone's boot mode and network. This matters because FRP and verification require connectivity. Once you confirm MUI recovery or normal boot, connect to a stable Wi-Fi or insert an active SIM. Next, prepare the Google credentials you used before the reset, the exact email and last password you remember, plus any recovery phone or email. You do this upfront to avoid being blocked later and to speed the flow into account recovery or bypass methods. Now you perform account recovery externally and on the phone. On a computer or another phone, open Google's account recovery and follow prompts. Verify via recovery phone, email, or a previously used device because Google trusts known endpoints. Once you regain access, return to the Huawei and enter the recovered credentials exactly, starting with the last password you remember. If two-factor is required, complete that verification. If recovery stalls, enable 2FA on the account or prepare a trusted device to finish by securing and syncing the account on the Huawei. Remove outdated devices from your Google account, update the password, and re-enable sync so contacts and play restore. Make sure the phone appears under Google account devices. If not, remove and re-add the device after a successful login. If you still cannot clear factory reset protection, gather purchase proof and contact Google support or Huawei with serial/MA. This step matters because vendors can verify ownership and lift locks when recovery alone fails.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.